Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you about integration. As displayed on the screen here, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a given expression. Now integration let me just teach you something about the introduction part of it. Integration is just the reverse differentiation. Integrate is to reverse. Reverse is the reverse differentiation. Reverse differentiation. Now this differentiation, the gradient function was given by dy dx. Now when given something dy dx, you are always going to be asked to find the value of y. Now, without wasting time, let me start the first example. Integrate the following expression, 2x power 5. So in the integral part, the power always increases by 1. The power of that x increases by 1. And then you divide the function by the new power, then you always add a constant. For example, in the first example, Roman 1, we want to integrate 2x power 5. So we are going to start writing 2x raised to power 5. So the power, we increase it by 1. Then everything we divide by the new power, which is 5 plus 1. So this is equal to 2x raised to power 6 over 6. Now we can divide by 2, 1 by 2, 3. So the first answer becomes x raised to power 6 over 3, so plus a constant term c. That is called a constant term. So this is the indefinite integral. That's number 1. We are already through with it, Roman 1. When you come to Roman 2, again we got 3x squared. So that it becomes 3x squared. The power is power 2. We add a 1 to the power. We divide by the new power. That is 2 plus 1. So this gets you to be 3x raised to power 3 divided by 3. So by 3, 1 by 3, 1. And the final answer here becomes x raised to power 3 plus a constant term called c. That is the third one. 2x power negative 2. You see how easy it is? 2x raised to power negative 2 is negative 2 plus 1. We increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, which is minus 2 plus 1. So this becomes 2x power negative 2 plus 1 becomes negative 1 over negative 1. So the final answer becomes minus 2x power negative 1 plus a constant term c. It is just as easy as this one, guys. It's just as easy as the way I'm doing it. Then let us go to the next example, that is Roman 4. Now Roman 4 is a polynomial. So we are going to integrate each and every part of the given polynomial. So the first part is 5x power 3. So this becomes 5x power 3. So this 3, we add it 1, becomes power 4 over the new power, divided by the new power, minus, this is 2x, so it is like 2x power 1. So it is going to be 2x power 1 plus 1 is a 2, divided by the new power, plus 4, plus a constant term called c. So when you simplify, this becomes 1.25 x power 4 minus x squared. This one is plus 4x because it does not have an x here, plus 4x plus a constant term c. That one is Roman 4. It is just as simple as this one. It is not something that is so difficult. Now let me come to the fifth example. The fifth example, that is Roman 5. is 1 plus 1 minus x power 4. This one, the numerator is the difference between two squares. So difference between two squares means that it is 1. Square root of this one here is 1 minus 1 to simplify the fraction. 1 minus the square root of x power 4 becomes x squared. That is the first part. Then the second part, we just change the sign that is in between. 1 plus x squared. Then that is the numerator. Divide by the denominator. Denominator here is 1 minus x squared. Now you can see 1 minus x squared and 1 minus x squared are the same, so they simplify out. So we are left with 1 plus x squared. So this 1 plus x squared is what we need to integrate. So integrating 1 here becomes 1x because it does not have an x plus. Integrating x squared becomes x cubed over the new power 3. The power here is 2, but we add 1, then plus a constant term called c. So this is the answer to Roman 5. It's as easy as this way. Then the last part we got 1 minus 4. So we just open the bracket, take 1, this one here, then multiply by the second bracket 2 plus x. Then minus 4x into bracket 2 plus x. So we need to open the bracket, so this we got it to be 2 plus x, the negative 8x minus 4x squared. So this is just the expansion. Now it becomes 2 minus 8 x minus 8x, that becomes 7x minus 4x squared. So having expanded this one, now we need to integrate. So integrating 2 becomes 2x minus, integrating 7x becomes 7x squared, divide by the new power. So here we have power 1. So 1 plus 1 gets you 2. Divide by the new power, which is 2 minus 4x squared becomes 4. The power increases by 1, x power 3. Divide by the new power, which is 3, plus a constant term 6. So this is the answer for that Roman 6. Subscribe for more updates. That's all for today.